Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabil Luqman from Group 2 and this is my team members, and today we are going to present to you about compound interest and annuity. As you can see, we have two parts. The first part is compound interest and the second part is annuity. Part A, question 1. 3 years ago, a sum Y was invested in a scheme paying 3.6% interest compounded monthly. Today, 6,500 is withdrawn from the account if the total amount in the account 2 years from now will be RM15,465.89. Find Y. From that question, let's bring out all the information that's given. So P equal to Y, S equal to 15,465 ringgit and 89 cents, K equal to 3.6%, T1 equal to 2 years and T2 equal to 3 years. And M is 12 times. Step 1, 15,465 ringgit and 89 cents equal to X. X is the P, so we got 14,393 ringgit and 4 cents. And then we need to add 6,500. Why, you may ask, we add 6,500? Because we want to know how much is the real amount before the withdrawal in the 2 years. Okay? And then after we add 6,500, we got 20,893 ringgit and 4 cents. And then step 2, we put the 20,893 ringgit and 4 cents as the S, and we want to calculate P. And for the second years, so the second year's amount is 3 years. And then we got 18,757 ringgit and 20 cents. So as you guys can see, we can recheck it by doing from the start. As we know, we start from the bottom, so we can start from the above. It is the same information but different way of solving. Okay, step 1, we count S equal to Y, then we count S minus 6,500 after we got 15,465 ringgit and 89 cents equal to S minus 6,500 and our formula. And then we bring the 6,500 to the other sides to change the equation. And then we can add 6,500 just now to the 14,393 ringgit and 4 cents. And then we can get 20,893 ringgit and 4 cents. Lastly, we put the 28,093 ringgit and 4 cents to our formula, so we can get 18,757 ringgit and 20 cents. Thank you.
Let's hop on the next question. Malay intends to borrow 12,000 ringgit from a bank. The bank offered an interest rate of 6% compounded quarterly. Find the maturity value at the end of the 5 years. Now the information first. P equal to 12,000, K equal to 6%, M equal to 4 times, and T equal to 5 years. We put all the information and don't forget to calculate it. And we got the answer, which is S, our maturity value, is 60,162 ringgit 26 cent. And you guys may reach the answer, which is we unknown the P, and we got 12,000 ringgit. Let's move to the next question. Alia wishes to invest her money in an investment scheme. She approached a local bank and the bank offered her 2 different schemes, which is Scheme A offered her 8.52% compounded every 2 months and Scheme B offered her 9.25% compounded quarterly. The question is, how much interest will Alia receive if she invests 10,000 ringgit in Scheme A for 6 years and 6 months? Okay, first, let's bring out the information. P equal to 10,000, K equal to 8.52%, and M equal to 6. Okay, next. Okay, just like this, we put all the information and we calculated and we got the answer is 70,330.88 cent. And don't forget to use the formula I equal to S minus P, and you will get the final answer is 7,000 ringgit 330.88 cent. Next, if Alia invests 50,000 ringgit in Scheme B and aims to accumulate 30,000, how long should she wait to reach that amount? Okay, so let's bring out the information first. S equal to 30,000 ringgit, P equal to 15,000, K equal to 9.52%, M equal to 4, and T equal to X. So, how to find the X? Okay, let's move. So, how to check the years, which is the time? The question is, how much interest will Alia receive if she invests 10,000 ringgit? If Alia invests 50,000 ringgit in Scheme B and aims to accumulate 30,000, how long should she wait to reach that amount? Okay, so let's bring out the information first. S equal to 30,000 ringgit, P equal to 15,000, K equal to 9.52%, M equal to 4, and T equal to X. So, how to find the X? Okay, let's move. So, how to check the years, which is the time, like the information we put, and you will get the X is 7 years. How to recheck it? You may put all the answer in a calculator and then put 7 in a bracket, and you will get the final answer is 30,000 ringgit.
Hi everyone, so let's move to another chapter, which is chapter 4 Annuity. First of all, let's take a look at question 1 part B. I'm going to read the question first. Husna deposit 2,500 ringgit every 6 months into an account that offer an interest rate of 3.8% compounded semi-annually. The total amount she will receive at the end of 9 years 6 months. According to this question, we were going to use the formula of S, which is future value. You can refer the formula that shown above. Before we go into solve the problems, we have to bring out all the information first. So, according to the question, Husna deposit 2,500 ringgit every 6 months. This means that 2,500 ringgit is periodic payments that Husna has been deposit for every 6 months. And then, the interest rate is 3.8%, compounded semi-annually, which is 3.8% is the K, and the compounded semi-annually, which is M, is the 2. According to the question, the time given is 9 years and 6 months. But instead of using the 6 months, we have to use the 5 months. Why? Because the 6 months has to divide with 12 months. And we get the answer of 0.5 months. And then the final time is 9 years and 5 months. And then after we get all of the information, we have to put all the information into the formulas. And then the final answer would be 56,567 ringgit 0.45. Question B, find the interest earned throughout the period. According to this question, we have to find the interest earned. So we're going to use the formula of I equal to S minus NR. S is future value, which is the answer that we get in question A, 56,567 ringgit 0.45. And the N is time of investment, which is semi-annually, which is M, has to multiply with 9.5, which is the time. And the N will be multiplied with R, which is the periodic payment, 2,500 ringgit. And the final answer of interest rate would be 9,067 ringgit 0.45 cents.
Okay. So question 2 is about Nara would like to further her study in business. She plans to borrow Rm42,000 from a financial institution at 5.4% interest compounded quarterly for 12 years. Equals to 42,000, K equals to 5.4%, M equals to 4, and T equals to 12. After we bring out all the information, we have to use the information and bring in into the formula and make an equation. After we make an equation, we have to solve it. After we put all the information into the formula, then we press the calculator to get 1,194 ringgit 60 cents. Move on to the next question, which is question B. Okay, question B is about the total interest charge for the loan. So after we know the formula that we have to use, which is I equals to NR minus A, we can bring out all the information and make an equation by use this formula. Okay, after you click the calculator, you will get the answer, which is Rm 15,340.80 ringgit. Last question for today. Question C. Okay, so question C is about the amount that she must pay on the fourth payment if she failed to pay the first 3 payments. For this question, N equals to T. Okay, no need M. No need M, okay? Just need T. How much time that she have to pay, okay? Which is 4. After we know the formula, we can bring out all the information like always. Okay, so R equals to 1,194.60 ringgit. K equals to 5.4% and M equals to 4. Okay, after we know all the information, we can bring in all the information into the formula and make an equation. After we bring in all the information, we can click the calculator and solve. And you guys will get 4,876.03 ringgit. About the amount that, so you guys, please, if you don't understand, you can go back to the previous video or previous question and make sure you guys understand this question, because this question is very hard and confusing. And good luck for your test. Good luck for your test and good luck for your exam, and inshallah for flat for this subject. Okay guys.